Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to make Nutella or Nutella. In this recipe I'm using cashew nuts and almonds instead of hazelnuts. This is very healthy and easy to make. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm using both cashew nuts and almonds. 1 cup of cashew nuts and half a cup of almonds. Dry roast them on a low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is good enough. Turn off the flame. Let it cool down completely. I have taken 1 cup of powdered sugar, that is 100 grams, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, that's 25 grams. Sieve it and keep them aside. Into a blender, add roasted cashew nuts and almonds. Grind them until fine powder using pulse mode. Scrape the sides of the mixer and grind it in pulses for about 13 to 15 times. Grind in pulses till the oil oozes out from the cashew nuts and almonds. Into this, add powdered sugar and cocoa powder. 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Scrape the sides of the mixer. In this stage, add oil, 4 tablespoons, any unflavored oil, or you can use melted butter as well. Pulse it until everything comes together. If cocoa powder is not available, we can use 100 grams of bar chocolate as an alternative. This is the right consistency. Pour into a clean and dry container. Try this delicious Nutella recipe at home, and this spread will be great on bread and will taste amazing. Share your feedback about this recipe in the comments section. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking!